Now going to think of some cool facts about bridges. One of the things that we do in class is model making. Students build their own bridge. It gives the students a really strong understanding of the individual pieces and components that go into any structure. And usually when we build a bridge, we're expecting it to last for hundreds of years. One of the most alarming things in recent times is the number of bridges that are outright collapsing. Bridges are getting older, trucks, the cargo is getting heavier. A new idea that we have in bridge engineering is to use sensors that'll tell us something about the health of that bridge. An even more cool idea that we are now developing is using sensors in the pockets of people in the vehicles. So all of our mobile phones are equipped with GPS sensors and accelerometers. We could collect the data, anonymized of course, and now we can start to learn something about the health of that bridge.